The biggest bird in the world. In the ostrich bird family, it is the largest, weighing up to 320 kilograms. His heavy body is also supported by long legs that make him almost 2.5 meters tall. Ostriches can live up to 40 years. Ostriches have a fairly long lifespan, around 40 years. They survive with a great self-protection system. This bird is quite aggressive and is capable of fighting with cheetahs. In captivity, ostriches can even live up to 70 years. Ostriches will continue to reproduce until old age. They will lay eggs when they have entered sexual maturity. The male will wag his wings to seek the attention of the female, and after intercourse the male will dig the sand to lay the eggs, and the female will guard and incubate them until they hatch. Produces giant eggs. Ostrich eggs are much sought after as food because of their delicious taste. An ostrich egg can weigh 1.5 until 2 kilograms. This egg is white and has a very large yolk size. Consists of various species. Ostriches consist of several species. The most easily recognized are the types of ostriches in North Africa and South Africa. The South African ostrich has a pink neck and legs, whereas in parts of North Africa the predominant ostrich has a grayish color. Fastest two-legged animal. Just like an ostrich engine vehicle can run at a speed of 50 km/h, the long legs consist of two knuckles and are strong enough to be used as a form of self-protection system. use wings to drive. Its long legs are used as a pedestal for running, while the ostrich's wings are its best steering tool. Ostriches can run and balance thanks to wings that function like brakes. Has an eyeball size that is larger than its brain. The size of an ostrich's eye can be equivalent to a billiard ball whose notes are larger in size than their own brain.